YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see. So for today's video, I took out an ice cream, right, that my dad gave me like a week or two ago. And I kind of left it out there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to finally open this. After like, I would say about 3 weeks. See how horrible it got. First things first, let me open it. Oh my goodness. Ew, that's disgusting. Ew. Alright, of course I'm not picking my finger with this. Alright, let's see. Oh my goodness. It's like become soft. Oh, that's not ice cream. It was like liquidy down here. Oh my goodness, that's disgusting. It's almost like a... Wow. The chinga. That's the end of today's video. Hope you have a great day.